Start by assembling the sliders. Repeat the process for both sides. The screw should not protrude through the sliders, so it can be inserted into the panel's vertical rail with ease. Once at the desired height, tighten the screws and attach a shelf with 4 screws.